Welcome to online classes. Our second video session from chapter 8 part 2. Last class we discussed about the words congruence of triangles. Okay, congruence on last congruence is what? Side, side, side. So hence two triangles can be congruent to each other if they are all sides are equal to the other triangles, then both triangle is known as congruence by side, side, sides. Today we discuss congruence ASA. That means ASA means what? Angle, side, angle. ASA. Today's congruence is what? ASA. ASA means what? Angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle, side, angle. Okay. Angle, side, angle means what? If one triangle, suppose you take an example, triangle A, B, C. And we have draw in an triangle D, E, F. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. Angle, side, angle means what? It included two sides and one angle. Included two sides and one angle. That's what AB, BC. Included which angle will be angle? Suppose you take a measures. Suppose you take a measures first. Same right here. AB equal to 6, BC equal to 7, AC equal to 8. Okay. Centimeter. Angle B equal to 60 degree. Now we write here, suppose we take here what? DE 6 centimeter, EF 7 centimeter, DF 5 centimeter, and angle E 60 degree. Here angle 60 degree. Both triangle has measure is given here. Triangle ABC measure is what? AB 6 centimeter. This one BC 7 centimeter. AC 8 centimeter. Okay. DE 6 centimeter. EF 7 centimeter. DF that's what? 5 centimeter. And their angle B equal to 60 degree. E equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now we compare the both. Here what is given here? AB equal to DE. AB equal to DE. BC equal to EF including, okay, AB equal to EF 6 centimeter, BC equal to EF 7 centimeter, and including angle which B equal to 60 equal to B equal to 60 equal to E equal to what? 60 degree is there. Including, okay, now see here what? AB side including BC. Two sides including one angle is 60 degree. Here DE side including EF sides angle is what? 60 degree here. So we know that what? If two sides of both given two triangles including their angle is equal, two sides and including angle are equal, then both triangle is called what? Congruence by what? Side, angle, side. See here, AB side is equal with DE side, BC side is equal with EF sides, including angle, two sides including, that means BC side and AB side, including which angle is here? B angle. Angle B equal to 60 degree, measure 60 degree. DEF here, CEF sides and DE sides. Including angle is what? 60 degree. That's why we can say that what? Then triangle ABC congruence what? DEF triangle DEF by side angle side. We can say that what? The triangles both ABC and DEF by side angle sides. Then what we learn here? We learn here that if when two triangles are congruent, then if we write it in a definition, then we can how we write two triangle are congruent. When two triangles are congruent, if two sides and they are including angle is okay. Two sides and they are including angle is equal to other triangle. Then means two triangle means the first triangle is equal to what? Two triangle. Then both are congruent. To each other by what? Side angle sides. Okay. When two angles are congruent, if the two angles say they are including angles and two sides. Including angle means which angle? This angle. When angle can form, if two sides can a common point. Two sides have a common point or two, that is called angle. Angle how can form? Then these sides here and come BC and two sides can make in one common point. Then what? They are called angles. Then here AB side and BC side form an angle, that is B angle. Okay. Here DE side, EF sides. Okay. Form an angle, that angle is what? E. Now here given what? AB equal to what? D. BC equal to what? EF. Angle B equal to what? Angle E. Okay. Then see here. Two sides including angle is equal to other DEF including two sides angle is equal. That's why both triangle is called what? Congruence by congruence by side angle side. Okay. Congruence by side angle side. Okay. Now we take another examples for the side angle side. Okay. We take another examples for side angle side. Okay. Examples. If we take questions first, if AB equal to AC in given figure and AD is bisector. Bisector means what? Bisector is always what? Form 90 degree and bisect the angle in equal sides. AC equal to AD is bisector. Okay. Bisector of BAC. AB of its bisector of BAC. Now prove that the triangles both are congruent or not. Now when we draw a figure here, A, B, C. Here bisector AD, C. According to questions, our triangle can form here A, B, C. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC is given. Now AD is a bisector of what? BAC, that means bisector and that means what? BAD and DAC angle are same. Okay. Now when AD is what here? Bisector also common sides. Now we take a questions for this one and prove that the triangle what? ABD and DAC is a what? congruence by side angle sides. Then state three parts of equal. First question is here. State three parts. Three parts means how many parts in a triangles? Three parts of equal parts. Okay. Three parts of equal of given triangles. Sorry, two time off here. Three equal part of triangle A, B, D and triangle A, B, C. And what are the three equal parts of triangle A, B, C and ABD? Now we can solve this answer. Okay. First see here. In given what are the given AB and AC. Okay. And first we write the triangle ABC. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC given. Okay. Now AD equal to AD, common side. Common sides. Okay. AB equal to AC, common sides, and BAD equal to DAC, because what? Because AD bisect angle A. Because AD bisect angle A, then what are the equal parts of both triangles? AB equal to AC, AD equal to the common sides, and BAD equal to BAC. Then equal three parts of what? This one part, this side two parts. That means one part, another is two parts, and third one is three parts. And what we learn here? That means here side angle, then side angle. Then the triangles both are what? These are the three equal parts of the triangles. Now so what is the second question? Second question is there here. Triangle ABD in given regions. That means triangle ADB and ADC is a what? Congruence or not? Yes, congruence. Because what? Because here AC equal to AD, AD equal to AD, angle BAD equal to angle DAC. That's why the triangles are what? Equal to each other. Okay, and that's why those both triangle is known as. Or we can, if you don't give the regions, then also what we can give another region for what? BAC is included in the triangle ABC. Okay, then we can say that also what? BAC is included, including angle of triangle what? ABC. Okay, here including angle or not? That's why including angle. That's why BAD was what? Same. That's why show. Second question is what? Second question is there is triangle ADB congruent triangle DAC. So we can write the answer. Yes, triangle ADB congruent triangle DAC by side angle side. Side angle side already you prove here in solution 1. So it should be side angle side by what? Equals. Now what the next question is what? Can angle B and angle C is equal? Yes, angle C and angle B is equals. Because why equals? Because the remaining three parts are equal. That's why angle B and C are also equals. Okay. Third question is what? Third question asks what? The question third. We write here third. Is B equal to C? Is B equal to C? Then we can write yes. Because remaining three parts are equal on triangles. Remaining three parts of triangles are equal. What are the three parts triangle are equal? Here AB, AC, and BAD, and AD, and BAC. These are the three parts of angles. That's why the triangles angle B and angle C is also equal. Clear about it? How can we write the prove the side angle sides? If two triangles having two sides and their included angle are equal, then the both triangle is now called what? Congruence by side angle sides. Now it is know about the another angle side angle. Okay. Now we learn what side angle sides. Now it's time to angle side angle. What are angle side angles? If two triangles having two angles and their included sides is equal to other triangles, then both triangle is called congruence to what? Side by side angle side. Sorry, angle side angle. What did you discuss about what? Side angle side. Now we discuss about angle side angles. What are angle side angles? What are angle side angles? If what's two triangles having two angles and their included side are equal, then both triangle is called what? Angle side angle congruence. Let me example. So take example. Suppose here A, B, C, M, and O. M and O. Now I am going to take 6 cm. Suppose 6 cm, 70 degree, 60 degree. Here 70 degree, 60 degree, 6 cm. Okay, see. In both triangles, in triangle ABC. Okay, what triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC was AB equal to 6 cm, BAC equal to what? BAC equal to 70 degree, CAB equal to what? 60 degree. Now in a triangle M and O, what? MN equal to 6 cm, M and O 60 degree, OML 70 degree. Now see, in a both triangle, what are the same? When you compare, then AB side is equal to what? MN sides. Then we can write in triangle ABC and triangle what? MNO. AB equal to MN 60 cm. Okay, 6 cm. And angle BAC ABC equal to MMO 60 degree, and BAC equal to MNO equal to 70 degree. See here, in both triangles, what's AB is equal to MN, angle A is equal to angle what? N, angle B is equal to angle E. Okay, what is the term of the angle side angles? If two angles and their included sides, any two triangles having their included sides and their two angles are equal to other triangles, then both triangles is called what? Congruence to angle side angles. Here the included side is what? AB and MN. Okay, what is AB and MN is what? Included side, and their included side included angle is what? Angle angles M, angles A with angle M. Here so they equal, both sides equals, included angle inside are what? Equal. That's why you can say that what? So triangle ABC congruence triangle MNO by what? Angle side angle. So notice term of the angle side angle congruence. Congruence of angle side angle is to when that side one sides and included two angles are equal, then both triangle is called congruence by angle side angle. Now we will take another examples for angle side angle. Okay. Here question is what? AC equal to BD. That means AC side BD and 3 centimeter and side is equals. Next one is what? AOC. That means AOC 80 degree. ACO. That means ACO. And BDO 70 degree. Then use A angle sides. Then here solution. What is solution here? Here. What is given here? ACO. Okay. Equal to BDO. Here ACO equal to BDO. Given. Now another which is given here, COA equal to BOD given. Okay. We know the triangle properties. Triangle property which means what? If we add the words in triangle ABC in triangle what? AOC what's angle A plus angle C plus angle O equal to 180 degrees there. Here two angle is given. That means two angle are same. Then also we can easily find the third angles. Which angle is not given here? A angle is not given here. So angle A equal to angle A plus C equal to what? 70 plus O equal to what? 80 equal to 180. Here A equal to 180 minus 150 equal to 30 degree. We got here measure of is 30 degree. Now in triangle what? BOD B plus O plus D equal to B is not given, so we write here B plus 80 plus 70 equal to 180 is there, also 180 is there. Now B equal to 180 minus what? 150 equal to 30 degree. We got the 30 degree here. Then angle A equal to angle B equal to 30 degree. Okay. Angle A equal to angle B equal to 30 degree, and angle D equal to angle C 70 degree, and AC side including angle, which angle including AC sides in angle A and C, angle A and C. So this BC side, which side? BD side including angle what? B and D. So what? We can prove that here what is the term of the angle side angle? Angle side angle term is what? Including two angles are equal to which angles? Their sides. That means in a triangle BOD, the sides including two angles 30 and 70. In this triangles AOC, including side is 3 cm, their sides are equal. Now they are including angle is also 70, 70, 30, 30 equals. That's why we can say that show triangle what? CO or AOC congruence triangle what? BOD. We can easily prove. Also we can able to find the triangle property. We know that if two angles is here, triangle 70 and 80, 70 and 80, then obviously the third angle is equal to the third angles. That's why according to triangle properties, we can say that the triangles AOC and triangle BOD is a what? Congruence by what? Angle, side, angle. Okay. Now we discuss about the RHS, right angle side. Okay. Okay. Now we know about the RHS. What is congruence? RHS. RHS means what? Right angle. H means hypotenuse, and S means sides. That means what? If a right triangle having their hypotenuse, one sides are equal, then the both triangle is called what? Congruent by RHS. Okay. We discuss about the RHS. What is RHS? RHS. That means right angle. Right angle, hypotenuse, okay, and side. Right angles, hypotenuse, and sides. Then we can discuss about the what? RHS. Then take an example when one triangle has the right triangles, their hypotenuse and their sides is equals. The side is what? Equals. Then the both triangle is called what? By RHS. Okay, by RHS. See here, for examples, A, B, C. X, Y, Z. Okay, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, right angles. Suppose one side, hypotenuse. Right angle, one side, hypotenuse. Then this the side is called hypotenuse. Okay. Then one side's base and perpendicular. Then what is term is what? Right hand side. If the measure is what? Suppose 6 cm. Here is 90 degree. 4 cm, 6 cm, 4 cm. Okay, we have 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree is there. Then how can we write it? Suppose in a triangle ABC, AC 6 cm. B is a right angle 90 degree. BC 4 cm. In triangle XYZ, triangle XYZ. But here XY or XZ, XZ 6 cm, Y 90 degree, YZ 4 cm. Both triangles, what is the terms? Right angle, hypotenuse and side. That means one angle is right angle and hypotenuse. But what is the hypotenuse here? AC equal to XZ. XZ equal to 6 cm. Now angle B equal to angle Y 90 degree. Okay. Then side BC equal to YZ. Side BC YZ 4 cm. So triangle what? ABC congruence triangle XYZ by RHS. Clear? How can we prove that the both two right angles can congruent to each other by RHS? If they are hypotenuse, one side and one angle, and the angle is what? Right angle. Right angle means always the 90 degree. then their hypotenuse and side. Hypotenuse and any sides, also in this side or this side, any sides, hypotenuse and side, and then the angles is equal to one triangle to other triangles. Then we can say that, or we can prove that the triangle ABC and XYZ are what? Congruent by RHS. Now we will take another example for this one. Okay. Now here question is there. Triangle ABC, okay, is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means what? Two sides are equal. That means two sides are equal. That means AB and AC are given already given, and AD is a one of its altitude. Altitude means what? The altitudes always form 90 degree. Altitude form 90 degree. Then first question is what? First question is here. State the three pairs of equal part of triangle ADB and ADC. Three equal parts, then we can write here three equal parts. Solution for one. Okay. What are the three equal parts? Now we have AB and AC. In a triangle, ADB. Okay. ADB. What are the equal parts here? And triangle ADC. Here AB equal to AC given. AD equal to AC given. Okay, AD equal to AC given. That is AB and AC also hypotenuse. Okay, AD equal to AC given. Now AD is common. AD equal to AD. Common. And what? ADB. ADB equal to ADC. 90 degree. So, what are the three equal parts here? Then hypotenuse what? AC equal to hypotenuse what? AB. Okay. Now AD equal to AD. Common side. ADB equal to ADC. ADB equal to ADC 90 degree. Because AD is altitudes for the triangle ABC. That's why what are the three equal parts of our AC and ASC and AB, AD and AD and ADB and ADC. These are the three equal parts. Now triangle ABC. What is the question? Second question. What is second question is there? Second question we solve here easily. We can say this. Here we prove that the hypotenuse and one side and the right angle are equal. That's why yes, triangle ABD and ADC is a what? Congruent by RHS. Yes. Yes. Because why both are congruent? Because of their three parts are equal and their terms is by RHS. Yes, by RHS. Okay, clear? How can we find out their equal parts and how can we prove the given triangles are congruent to each other or not? Then today we will discuss about the what? Side angle sides, side angle side, angle side angle, RHS congruence. Then I hope all of you learns about how can find out the what? Congruence about the two triangles using the different method like RHS, angle ASS, then sides SSS, all these the properties, and we can easily find out the congruence about the two triangles. Okay, bye. We will discuss in next class our next chapters. So we will do exercise properly. Okay. And if you follow the process easily, first you find out the equal parts of the given triangles, equal parts, and their what are the altitudes or congruence or not. Then how can you find? And first we look over the what is hypotenuse. altitude means here what? Altitude is here 90 degree. Then this 90 altitude always form 90 degree. Okay, so you can easily find the congruence about two triangles. Okay, bye.